partners from the media, our valued stakeholders, faculty and staff, friends of Southern Leyte State University. Welcome to Kapihan 2026. We gather not only to commemorate a milestone, but to hone for stewardship, to share where we are, where we are going, and how we intend to move forward. As we celebrate our 22nd charter anniversary under the theme Soar High in the Global Sky, we are reminded that soaring is sustained by strong foundations. Global relevance begins with strong local relationship, and progress becomes meaningful when it is built through dialogues. As mighty kingfishers, we move forward with clear vision and shared purpose. We soar together, grounded in partnership and committed to the responsibilities entrusted to us. May today's conversation strengthen our connections, propel us forward in the global. Also, this is one kind of innovation that we're doing sa Kapihan. Thank you very much. Salamat and welcome.